Connect 202 project is built to alleviate a lot of freeway congestion in downtown Phoenix. The freeway will connect on the west side of the valley at 59th and I-10, and then it will connect more south of Phoenix near I-10 and Pecos. The total length of the freeway is approximately 22 miles. Currently on the Connect 202 project, most of the equipment is majority CAT equipment. We currently have 5 631K wheel tractor scrapers, and we also have 3 623K scrapers, and then we do have 5 more 623K scrapers throughout the 202 project. The 631Ks have been out to 202 project now for about 3 months. I know that they're getting great production out of the 631s. Downtime for the brand new machines has been very, very minimal, and I can definitely tell that Connect 202 is very happy with the 631Ks.
Here on the 202 project, we start early, 4:30 in the morning. I mean, we try to beat the heat. The material that we put down, it's got to hold water. We got to pass compaction tests. So when we start early, we get through that much better. I like the K scraper just because of the comfort. I mean, it's quiet inside. I mean, totally day and night difference. The ride control in there helps us out a lot. And then it has a traction control also for whenever we have lots of water or we're sliding a little bit. It'll gear down and let you know that, you're sliding way too much. There's no more hanging a load counter on your shoulder. You can type in your name and log into that every day. It'll tell you how many tons of dirt you moved overall. I'm thinking we're getting at least 10 loads a day more. The 631K scraper, it has automatics. It's a dumping assist. So whenever I'm in the fill, I have the button pushed. All I have to do is push the button. It'll gauge the apron, and it'll lower my can to the desired height, and it'll start pushing my crowd out. All I have to do is keep a good RPM, and I'll dump pretty flat. It's more responsive in the steering. As soon as you turn, you're turning.
Empire and Connect 202, relationship-wise, has been great. Connect 202 has been a great partner to work with, and I believe Connect 202 is very happy with Empire and everything that we provided, everything from service to just personnel, just to help out with anything throughout the job. So we still have a ways to go for the Connect 202 project, but we definitely look forward to finishing out the project with Connect 202.